Assalamualaikum class. I hope you all are fine and well. So class, we are going to solve some questions related to algebraic expression. In the previous classes, we have solved the question related to two variables or numbers in our bracket. But here we have a three brackets. So class, we are having question like expand the following, and there are three variables like x, y, and z. Its sum and the whole square. So how to solve this question? We have a basic formula in this question, which is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is a basic formula which is used in this equation. So moving towards question is very easy, and so we have a question that expand the following, which is x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. So before solving, we must know the formula. The formula is a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here we will put the values and get the answers. So the value of a is x. Here we have, and the value of b is 3y, and the value of c is 2z. So now put the values just like value of a square, so x square plus b square, so 3y whole square plus c square, so 2z whole square plus 2ab. So the value of a is 3x and the value of b is 3y, and plus 2bc. So the value of b is 3y or c value is 2z, and the value of 2ca, the value of c is 2z and the value of a is x. So we just put the values and now take their square and multiplication. Simple. The value of x square is x square. The value of square of 3 is 9, and the variable square is y square. Similarly, the value of numeric value, which is 2 cos square of 2 is 4, and square of z is z square. So now we have 2x 3y. So 2 multiplied by 3 because numeric value multiplied by numeric value and variable multiplied by variable. So 2 3s are 6 and x multiplied by y, which is xy. So 6xy plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 y multiplied by z, which is yz, plus 2 2s are 4, x multiplied by z, which is xz. So this is the answer. So now we have next question similar, but here is a minus sign. So in this question, we must be careful about sign of minus. So we will separate it in a bracket form. So we have formula in the form of plus. So we must convert this expression in the form of plus, like 4x minus 3y plus 5z whole square. So we separate the minus in a bracket form, like 4x plus and bracket minus 3y. We separate the minus and we convert the expression into the plus form. So this again same like a plus b plus c whole square. It is equal to like this, and we will expand it easily because the question is expand the following questions. So question number 2 is also in the form of we have to expand it. So now the value of a is 4x square, the value of bx minus 3x 3y square plus, and the value of c is 5z, so the 5z square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we just put the values 2 4x minus 3y, these are in multiply, plus 2 which is in formula, and bc, b value is minus 3y and c value is 5z, and 2ca, the c value is 5z and a value is 4x. So just multiply. Square of 4 is 16, the square of x is x square, and the square of minus is plus, the square of 3 is 9, the square of y is y square, plus the square of 5 is 25 and the square of z is z square. And then here we just multiply these three numbers. These three numbers plus 2 4x minus 3y. So plus minus minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Similarly, we also solve this. Plus into minus 3y, plus minus minus, and 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So this becomes 16x square plus 9y square plus 25z square minus 24x square plus minus 30yz, and 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40, 40xz. So this is also expanded, and the answer is this. So we have next question. Next question is 7x minus 2y minus 3z whole square. So first we will convert into the form of plus. So this become formula and we will expand it easily. So first step, we have converted, and then we have to apply formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now first we convert this. Now we have to put just value where A is 7x, b is minus 2y, and c is minus 3z. So now 7x, which is a, plus, and to bracket the value of b square. So b is minus 2y, so there's minus 2y square, and the value of c is minus 3z square. So here c square plus 2ab. So 2 is in formula, the value of a is 7x and b is minus 2y plus 2bc. So the value of 2 in formula, and minus 2y is b and minus 3z is c, and then 2ac, ca. So just values put, and square of 7 is 49, and square of x square 49x square, minus square plus 2 square 4, and y square, and minus square plus 3 square 9, and z square. Similarly, plus minus minus 2 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28, x multiply y xy. Here minus minus plus 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, y multiply z yz. Here plus minus minus 7 to the 14, 14 3 is 42. So x multiplied by z, which is xz. This is also answer. So now moving towards next question. So here we have to find the value by using the similar formula, which is important questions for our final exams and most interesting question. Don't to forget remembering formula. Here we have to find the value of p square plus q square plus r square when p plus q plus r equal to square root of 7 and pq plus qr plus rp equal to 2. So now our target is to achieve to find the value of p square plus q square plus r square. We have to find the value of this, and here two values are given. Number one, p plus q plus r equal to square root of 7 and pq plus qr plus rp equal to 2. So as given in a question, p plus q plus r equal to square root of 7, which is given in a question. So we just take square root of both sides because this become the form of a square plus b square plus c square, a plus b plus c whole square formula. So we will expand it and we will get our answer like this: p square, p plus p q plus r whole square, and at the right side square root of 7 square. So square will cancel under root, and p plus q plus r will expand like p square plus q square plus r square plus 2pq plus 2qr plus 2rp equal to square 7. So now p square plus q square plus r square, and in this here we have common 2p plus q plus 2qr plus 2rp. So we will take common here 2 because 2 is common in three numbers. So here we take 2 common. So now the pq plus qr plus rp, this will also given in a question, which is 2. So we just put 2 here, and 2 multiplied by 2 4, and we separate p square plus q square plus r square. We separate it from the 4 because we have to find the value of this. So the 4 at the left side of the equation is plus, at the right side of the equation will be minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is p square plus q square plus r square equal to 3. Similarly, we have also same question, which is next question, and it's also same, but its value is different. So you have to try at your home, and I will also share with you and discuss with you. We have to find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Comparatively, in the last question, we have to find the value of p square plus q square plus r square. So here just they change the variable and numeric value. And they gave that a plus b plus c equal to 5 by 3 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to minus 1 by 9. And in the previous question, they give us p plus q plus r and pq plus qr plus rp. So here just they change the variables and numeric values, and the question procedure is same. So as given in the question, a plus b plus c equal to 5 by 3. Now solving this question, okay? So again we take squaring on both sides, which is a plus b plus c whole square, and 5 by 3 whole square. The square of 5 is 25 and the square is 3 is 9, because square implies on both numbers, denominator and numerator. So here I apply square, and a plus b plus c whole square, so I also apply square here, which is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So now a plus b plus c, and similarly again I take common 2 because 2 is common, and we will put the value of ab plus bc plus ca, which is minus 1 by 9. So 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 9, which is minus 2 upon 9. So again I separate the a square plus b square plus c square because I have to find the value of this. So I must separate these numbers, which is a square plus b square plus c square. So the value of 2 by 9 in the left side of the equation is minus. So when I shift it to the right side of the equation, this should be a plus, because these are basic mathematics rules. Sometimes we just take common, and there are many methods of solving this. So just remember that we have to shift it to the right side, so the sign will be changed. If it's multiply, it will be divide. If it's divide, it will be multiply, like this. So 2 upon 9 is minus. So this will be plus. So 25 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So LCM is 9, and 25 plus 2 7. 27 by 9, which is 9 1 is 9 and 3 is 27. So the answer is 3. A square plus b square plus c square equal to 3. So this is the most easiest question, and its next part, which is third part. How question number 5, you have to solve by yourself. So now we are moving towards next question, which is most easiest question. PQ plus QR plus RP. We have to find the value of PQ plus QR plus RP. And given that P plus Q plus R equal to square root of 17 and P square plus Q square plus R square equal to say 9. So here they just change the numbers because there are two numbers are given and one is unknown. So we can solve it easily. As given in the question, P plus Q plus R equal to square root of 17, so squaring on both sides. After taking square root of 17 cancel with the square under root, and now we have p square plus q square plus r square equal to 2pq plus 2qr plus 2rp equal to 17. So as given in a question, the value of p square plus q square plus r square, which is 9. So I put the value p square plus q square plus r square equal to 9, and 2 common, and pq plus qr plus rp, which I have to find. So 9 is plus at the left side of the equation, so this will be minus at the right side of the equation. So 17 minus 9, which is 8. and 2 is multiply. As I discussed before question, that sign will be changed when you shift the number at the left side of the equation. So this will be multiply. Uh, 2 multiplied by the whole numbers PQ plus QR plus RP. So this will be divided at the right side of equation. 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So the answer is PQ plus QR plus RP equal to 4. So this is most easy question in our exam and our 2D class. Again, and next question which also same like this. There is no changes, just they change the variables and numeric value. And all questions have same procedure, same method. Okay. So we have to find the value of xy plus yz plus zx. In the previous question, we have to find the value of pq plus qr plus rp, as you can see. Now, given that x plus y plus z is 9 and x square plus y square plus z square, which is 81. So we know that x square plus x plus y plus z equal to 9, which is given in the question. So squaring on both sides, because after taking square, it becomes formula which will be expanded further. So x plus y plus z whole square equal to 9 square. The square of 9 is 81, and x plus y plus z whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So now the square of 9 is 81, and we also know that x square plus y square plus z square is 81 as given in the question. According to question, the value of x square plus y square plus z square is 81. So now move towards next step, which is putting the values. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2, I take common 2, and xy plus yz plus zx, because I have to find the value of z. And there's a little problem in a written mistakes. This is zx, not zy. Okay, so there is small mistake, so you may correct it. So equal to 81. So the value of x square plus y square plus z square is 81. So I put the 81 and 2 and multiple of the whole numbers like xy plus yz plus zx. So 81 is at the left side of the equation is plus, so this will be minus at the right side of the equation. So 81 minus 81, which is 0. And 2 is multiplied at the left side of the equation, this will be divided. So 0 divided by 2, which is also 0. So answer is xy plus yz plus zx equal to 0. So to the class, we have these questions and 2 questions are remaining. So question number 3rd and 6th. You have to do by yourself. If you have any question, any confusion, anything, you may ask me directly through any contact, social contacts you may ask. And if you have any confusion, anything. And remember, do practice on daily basis. Inshallah, hope for the best. You will get high marks and you will learn mathematics easily. So these are the important questions which I solved with you guys. So now these are the 6 questions which we solved today, and the exercise 4.8 is completed now. So class, moving towards next topic, which will be on tomorrow. So thank you for your time. Allah Hafiz.